How to save photo from FaceApp? First of all, open FaceApp and either take a new photo or upload one from your gallery. After applying your desired filters or edits, look for the save icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the save icon and FaceApp will process your photo and save it directly to your device gallery or photo library. If the save option doesn't matter, make sure you have granted FaceApp permission to access your photos in your device settings. After saving your photo, you can also share your edited photo directly to social media or messaging apps right from FaceApp if you want. Remember to check your gallery after saving to confirm the photo was saved correctly. Now you know how to save a photo from FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.